I am old enough now to remember a time when people were requesting that we had fifth wheel RVs that had a patio on them, but were not a toy hauler with a garage. And everybody was like, well, that doesn't really exist. And now here we are going into 2025, and we have travel trailers with huge patios off the back that are covered and even have misters built into them. Let's go take a look. Welcome back to another video, y'all. For those that are new here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and we are here taking a look at the new 2025 Forest River Wildwood 22 Veranda. So you can see right here, this is their 22 Veranda, and it will say Salem on the side of this RV. But I am here with Blue Compass RV, where we have over 100 different stores in 33 different states. However, we do not carry the Salem brand. We carry the Wildwood brand, which they make the exact same things. They just have two product lines that are brother-sister products, essentially. And as you can see here, we have some exciting RVs to take a look at that all have this new patio system on it. Also have this one here that has the biggest loft we have ever seen in any RV ever by far. And so those are all videos that are coming that you'll be able to check out if they are not already posted on my page. But I want to let you know, we do not carry the Salem product. So if you are looking for this RV, through the link in the comments and description in this video, look for Wildwood, not Salem, as we will carry the 22 Veranda with Wildwood. So this here, 22 Veranda, is going to be the smallest travel trailer that you can get in 2025 by all accounts that I have seen. And I have seen most of everything that will be coming out for 2025 at this point as I am filming this. And there is nothing else even remotely close to this that I have seen on the market. Now, the first and most impressive thing is this patio off the back. But before we get into that, I do want to go grab my phone, which I actually left in this other camper, so I can tell you the dry weight on this because there is not a weight sticker on it yet. And as I step inside of here, let me grab this little peek at the 32 Veranda and a little sneak peek of what we're about to look at. 22 Veranda is 6,840 pounds unloaded. So 6,840 pounds, that is gonna put this pretty dang close to half-ton towable for a modern half-ton truck. There are certainly some half-ton trucks out there that will be capable of towing this. Just be mindful, when you have a dry weight around that amount, your hitch weight is likely going to be somewhere around 800 to maybe 950 pounds on an RV like this once it's fully loaded. And that hitch weight is going to be directly correlated to your payload capacity, where your payload capacity includes not only the hitch weight of the RV, but also occupants in the vehicle, whatever you load up in your truck, including the bed of your truck, and you want to make sure not to overload that. So I always mention that because I have a 2023 Toyota Tundra that does not have a super high payload capacity. It's only like 1,200 pounds. And something like this would still be, I mean, this will be like right on the cusp of what I would be comfortable towing with that Tundra. And when I have my very heavy 9,000 watt generator in the bed of the truck, plus the body weight of myself and any other stuff I would bring with me, I'm probably overloading the payload capacity of that Tundra. So just something to keep in mind. But all trucks are different, so do your own due diligence, know what you're towing with, things like that. Now, as we step up into this patio here, this is an aluminum sided RV with wood framing, so pretty dang crazy. We are getting this in what would be pretty much an entry-level RV. I know this is the last one I'm filming. I filmed the other two, and I know if y'all saw those videos or see those videos, I don't know which order I'll post these in. I have been forgetting to mention pricing because there is no pricing information on these RVs yet. Look at this griddle cooktop. You could cook like 8 burgers on here. This is huge. Only patio that I've seen that is giving us an outdoor kitchen space, but sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. Don't have pricing information yet. My guess is something like this is probably gonna be like in the mid $30,000 price range, but I don't know. As soon as we get these in stock and available, they will be on our website and we'll have more pricing information, but you can order one today if you go through that link and contact someone on one of our teams at one of our stores that sells Wildwood. We can get you pricing information to order one today. Down underneath there, you have your mini refrigerator. So look at this, y'all. This is so impressive. You get this whole outdoor kitchen space, all metal materials out here. You have a stainless steel sink. And then not only that, because obviously if you're hanging out outside, it can get hot. You have misters built in to this RV. Now, hard to see right here. Hopefully you can see that on camera, but the misters spray out both the sides and underneath here. It's hard to see with the white wall, but each one of these little valves right there is spraying out mist. So you have a bunch of different misters on the back end of this, going to be really great for those hot days and especially great in drier climates. So really excited about that. You have these chairs off the back, and then this patio expands out. So this whole area actually comes up into here when you're towing down the road. You can see the switch for it is right inside here. And when we push this in, see that right there, how that is coming up over the edge and is just going to slide forward like so. Don't need to push that all the way in, and that sad M almost just got rolled over there. But so you get the point on that. That is going to keep this at a more manageable towing length and then give you the option to have so much more space to hang out outside and entertain. Plus, great spot for the dogs to hang out here as well. You have the patio door through here, so if you come around this way, dogs can come in and out through the patio right there. You can come in and out through the patio right there, and then you have the whole rail system all the way around. So very, very neat. Again, huge griddle cooktop, outdoor speakers here. You have the JBL speakers, and you do have LED light strips up here with the diffuser on them, so they have more of that glowing effect. Then you have your patio style door, and as we walk inside, this is definitely a floor plan that is more designed for a couple. With the slide out mechanism on here, you can see you have a slight step up into this space. And again, this is the shortest model they will be making with this patio system, being the 22 veranda. But if you want a different floor plan layout with a sectional sofa that is a little bit different here with an island kitchen, you can look at the 32 veranda. I have a video of that one as well. And then you can also look at the 42 veranda, which is the destination style camper with the patio off the back. 50-inch screen TV there, huge 60-inch Furrion electric fireplace, nice LED lighting up underneath that platform there. And then you can see the shelving up here. One thing I love about Wildwood is that they have a very distinguishable look for 2025, where a lot of RVs that I go into, if you took the names off of them, I think the average person wouldn't know much of any of the difference between one product and another, what they're standing in, versus when you come into a Wildwood, you just know it's a Wildwood because nothing else looks like this. Nothing else has arched walls like this with LED lighting in them. Nothing else has arched walls like this right here, where you have this color wall panel clashing with, or not clashing, but working well with this color wall panel behind it. Just really nice aesthetic choices that give it character that feels different than other RVs out there. You have these curtains that cover the windows, really nice there. I am noticing a little bit of sag in this curtain rod, so maybe nice to have another support somewhere in the middle there, but very, easy to put another anchor like that somewhere along the way. But even just having the curtains, I mean, everything about this is like they tried to make this feel like the most elegant travel trailer they could and keep it under what is likely going to be a $40,000 price range. So, and even in the bigger stuff, it's very relatively affordable compared to what it competes with, and a lot of times is less expensive than stuff that it competes with. So you have your sectional sofa here, a couple different storage spaces. It comes with these bins for storage that you see right there. Love that. Same thing here. You have this storage that opens up, 3 more bins down underneath here. And then this is a jackknife sofa. So if you take this armrest off, this jackknife sofa will go down like so and give you a nice big spot to lay out on. If you remove that cushion back there, you have one nice long bed that looks like it'll be over 8 feet long. So great spot to lay down there. Gonna leave this kind of set up like this as we move on. Another thing I really like about this travel trailer, even though it's an entry level, more lightweight travel trailer, still getting solid surface countertops. I mean, they could have went with like a thermofoil countertop that's wrapped or something like that and would have been more lightweight but lower quality. So I like that we're seeing the solid surface countertop in here. You got your 2 bar stools, spot to hang out. You have a window right there, even curtains on that window. And then you have this new range hood over the microwave, again, just giving it a more aesthetically pleasing look. Little rack right here to put different things like salt, pepper, different spices. 3-burner Furrion gas stove. And then a standard RV size oven. Underneath here, you have 3 drawers that pull out. Pretty nice. And then these doors here, these are also pretty interesting because in a travel trailer like this, usually you see like a pressed wood that is wrapped. and that wrapped material on there can easily peel off of the cabinet. This is a new thermofoil cabinet door. It feels as solid as hardwood. It's lighter than hardwood, but yet it doesn't have any material here that looks like it's just going to peel off. Like, I have sat here and messed with these and tried to get like an edge to peel or something, and it feels like hardwood, but it's also not hardwood. And it's way more lightweight. So really like what they did there. I think that's a good quality cabinet door for an entry-level travel trailer. In fact, probably the best quality cabinet door for an entry-level travel trailer that I've seen. You also have storage space under here and a very creative design for a designated spot for your trash can. You have a single basin plastic sink, outlet in the corner, USB and USB Type-C port in the counter, and it does come with that cutting board. I'm pretty sure. I think it comes with the cutting board. If not, it will just come with this prep rack right there. That cutting board actually may be decor for that space. AC up over my head here. It is ducted through the travel trailer. Not only is it ducted, it is also dual ducted. So you have ducting coming out both this side and this side. I don't know many aluminum sided RVs that will do dual ducting like that. That will give you much better airflow. Then coming along this way, you have your lip right here to pull the pantry out. Access into the pantry from both sides. So pretty interesting pantry space, and that is all solid wood in here. Plus it looks like these are adjustable shelves, so you can actually move these around. Then you open up the refrigerator. This is your 12-volt refrigerator from Furrion. Pretty standard RV size refrigerator. Right here you have your controls for the RV. You do have a dimmer switch on your LED lights in the ceiling. You can see you have your light controls, awning controls, slide out controls, and pretty interesting, there's no entry door into the living space in this travel trailer. It's actually just from the patio. So that will be pretty unique and pretty different, but there is an entry door into the bedroom, so you still get quick, direct access to the bathroom on the road. Entering into this space, you have nice looking countertop space. This is a wall-to-wall bathroom, so giving you a ton of space in here, an arched mirror, and you have a plastic foot flush toilet. Definitely saving weight with the plastic toilet over a porcelain toilet. You have a really nice size shower in this space. Really large base on the shower, so lots of room for your feet. And as I flip the camera around, I'm 6'2" with my shoes on, and I definitely have to go up into the skylight, as you can see here, but you could be about 6'4", maybe 6'5", and still fit in that skylight. But anybody under 6 feet, or over 6 feet, sorry, maybe even 5'11", their head will go up into the skylight, and you'll be a little limited with your head space right there. But other than that, it's an arched wall here, or an arched railing for your curtain. That's going to give you more shoulder space inside of this shower. You can see I even kind of hit my head there on the side of the skylight. So definitely can happen in these smaller travel trailers. Storage space underneath there. And you have tankless on-demand water heater controls and arched walls on both sides going into that bathroom and out of the bathroom. Then you have a tilting king size bed. It's a custom king size bed, so it is a 66 by 78 inch, not a true residential queen. But that gives you a spot to not only sit up in bed, but it also opens up your floor space during the day when you're not sleeping. So you have more floor space in here. They added these pet steps on the side, so pets can get up into the bed if you have little pets that you want to be able to get up there. You have storage bins down underneath here that you can pull out, plus you can lift this bed up to get to the passenger storage underneath the RV. Huge window here. Love that they're doing these bamboo style shades. I mean, this RV would not even look the same if they did black shades like everybody else. So love that they have that bamboo style shade. Will still be a blackout shade. Spot for a TV on the wall here, although it would probably only fit about a 24-inch screen TV or so. Not too terribly large, so most people likely will not use that. You have a spot here to hang clothes. Spot here for some additional storage and even like a laundry hamper basket right there. You have some shelving along this side, outlets, USB ports back there. It has the USB Type-C plug, and you can see outlets and USB ports on this side. Plus storage up over top. Ooh, that's a flaw right there. Just noticed that. I don't know if that's going to be fixed, or I'm sure they will address that. Wildwood is pretty good about fixing stuff like this, and they need to come up what it seems like is some solution to open this door all the way, because it does hit that right now. On that side, they're likely already aware of that, I would imagine, and then storage space there. Or maybe it's just gonna have to be how it is. I mean, they can't really push this window further this way because you have the controls here, unless they took the controls in these wiring and put them on the other side of the window. Maybe that's an option. I don't know how much space they would have here with the studs in the wall and whatnot, but something for them to consider. You have a sliding door going in and out of this bedroom, and then that is pretty much everything. Single AC on this unit. It is ducted back into the bedroom space. Excuse me. And then close this door up. Couple things outside. You have the new LED lights here. So not only do you have an LED light up underneath the awning, you also have the LED light here now at the midsection of the RV. Also here, this pass-through storage door is a dry erase board, so you can write on that now. See that LED light bar? Manual stabilizers on this RV. It does have a fully enclosed underbelly, so all your water tanks and water lines are enclosed underneath there. Black awning fabric, white awning arms, looks really nice. Very sleek design on the outside, very minimal. And again, at Blue Compass RV, we carry the Wildwood product, so they'll make the same exact 22 Veranda. It'll just have the more orange or goldish color on the outside instead of the Salem blue, and it will be called a Wildwood. You have your storage space back through here. This is also where that little laundry basket area was. And then right now, I don't know that there is a spot to get up onto the roof. So I can't really get up on the roof for y'all, but that is pretty much everything, y'all. So very curious your thoughts on what you think about this new Wildwood 22 Veranda. It is prepped to add a backup camera there. And obviously the Wildwood team watches these videos and comments very closely. They come up with a lot of these ideas based off of your feedback. So let us know what you think down below in the comments. If you are interested in this RV, they will be coming available soon. Sorry I haven't updated you with pricing information. Let me just go through all three of them because I have forgot on what my estimates of what I think they will be. I'm guessing this will be in like the mid $30,000 range. This one here, the 32 Veranda, that's a little bit bigger, will likely push like the $40,000 to mid $40,000 range, I would think. And then on this huge 42 Veranda, sorry, this thing will likely be closer to like 100,000 with what they got going on here is my estimate. Maybe even slightly over 100, but I don't know for sure. So apologize for other videos where I did not mention this pricing. Hopefully you saw this video here that will help you out with that. And that's all I got for y'all. So we're here to help when you're ready. Link is down below in the description and comments. And until next time, live firmly unbound.